I was a corporate planner for a big high-tech company and ran events all over the world. And I think through my pains, that's really how Allseated began. Basically, what I wanted to do was digitalize the industry. So today we're very excited. We have about 85,000 planners in our system and over 40,000 venues. We have a very, very big network. And we run thousands and thousands of events a day with the largest data bank of scaled floor plans in the United States. Obviously, when you're running events, scaling of a venue is a very big issue. Our tools allowed it to be real-time dynamic. You could actually drop and drag a table from our library. We have a very dynamic product that allowed you inside the product to actually, on the diagram, on the floor plan, to change the tables and the layout at any time in any direction that the client actually wanted. Everything's very tagged within our system. So now you're walking around the plaza, you're changing the tables, but you're also having a video conferencing call. You're having this type of a video conferencing call. You're actually walking, talking, communicating. I mean, you almost are having a virtual party. We really dive into the technology within our program.